Singapore is constantly changing. Changing ideas. Changing journeys. Changing landscapes. But what remains constant other than change is our values. The commitment to shape a sustainable and resilient city and the integrity to do what's right. Since 1977, Mitsubishi Electric Asia has strived to create a better environment along with Singapore's eco-vision. A better environment for companies. A better environment for families. A better environment for everyone. We bring the workplace of tomorrow here today, connecting the city, constantly progressing, constantly moving. Taking in the little things and discovering how the simple joys make a difference in our everyday lives.
As a leading global manufacturer and supplier of industrial automation products and solutions, we strive to provide our customers cutting-edge solutions to enhance their efficiency of manufacturing and plant facilities. Many customers worldwide have benefited from our e-factory solutions in their process of implementing Industrial 4.0 smart manufacturing initiatives.
Mitsubishi Electric plays an important role in tomorrow's world of mobility. We provide highly efficient and low energy consumption railway transport systems. The comprehensive strengths with specific technologies promise to get you to where you need to be, safely, securely, and comfortably.
Our air conditioning systems are designed to meet high efficiency requirements, revealing its full support in environmental sustainability. At the same time, we listen to customers' business challenges and needs, continuous improvement, and combining technologies to bring personalized comfort to customers. This is the kind of commitment we put forth to enhance the qualities of people's life.
We don't just build business, we build people. Empowering, nurturing, and maximizing potential. Every person is important. Every person is our asset.
I started my career with Mitsubishi Electric Asia in 1982. The most interesting thing about MAP is that there are many opportunities for employees to learn and grow to meet the rapidly evolving job demands, such as through trainings and study trips. And this has reflected on MAP's belief that age is no barrier to quality people because it enables employees to flourish and achieve their full potential.
Within the company, we care for the wellness and personal growth of our staff and even their families in a holistic way. We aim to lead with humbleness and to put the needs of others before our own. We believe in building a sense of community within a team because we are one MEAP.
Mitsubishi Electric Asia believes that our actions create an impact on people and communities. Therefore, our responsibility is to make an impact that is positive, beneficial, and influential. We give back to the community by working closely with non-profit organizations and supporting various social and educational programs. We serve with pride and care, capturing the present and shaping the future for our children. We strive to power the world, reach beyond the skies, and redefine the limits of technology, so that no matter the challenges of the future, we endeavour to create an affluent society, achieving sustainability, safety, security, and comfort. Changes for the better. Mitsubishi Electric Asia